Most preppers are starving and they don't even know it. You can stockpile all the beans and rice you want. You can have 1,000 pounds of wheat in your basement. But without fat, your brain will fog, your hormone production will stop, and you will eventually die of rabbit starvation. In a real collapse, fat is the rarest and most expensive resource to produce off-grid. The industrial system has spent decades making you a slave to their refineries for every single calorie of energy you consume. They want you to believe that oil only comes from a factory. They are wrong. The earth is a living energy bank, and your backyard is the vault. Today, we reveal the 7 unkillable plants that give you infinite calories and free food for life. This is the end of your dependence. This is why I never buy oil and why you shouldn't either. 1. The caloric giant, sunflower, Helianthus annus. A sunflower is more than a decorative flower. It is a biological oil well designed for total sovereignty. One small, neglected plot of land can provide enough high-density fat to cook for your family for an entire year. It is an unkillable survivor that thrives in poor soil where other crops wither. By pressing these seeds, you create a resource for cooking, medicine, and even emergency lighting. It is a biological factory that turns sunlight into pure, storable energy. If you have sun, you have a permanent oil supply that no supply chain collapse can take away. 2. The perennial butter, hazelnuts, corylus. Hazelnuts are the living butter of the northern homestead. These bushes are nearly indestructible and provide a harvest that is 50 to 60% pure fat by weight. Unlike annual crops, you plant these once and harvest a lifetime of high-calorie energy that never expires. They require 0 replanting and almost no maintenance once established. This is true food security, a perennial energy source that drops a year's worth of fat at your feet every single autumn. 3. The underground oil, chufa, yellow nutsedge. Looters look for gardens, they don't look for weeds. Chufa grows like common grass, making it the perfect invisible crop for a high-tension scenario. Below the surface, it hides thousands of small tubers packed with a sweet, nutritious oil. It is an unkillable hidden calorie bank that thrives in wet or neglected soil. You can press it for oil or eat it raw for immediate survival energy. It is the hidden oil well that the unprepared will walk right over. 4. The survival heavyweight, black walnut, Juglans nigra. The black walnut tree is a multi-generational fortress of calories. It provides the most stable and nutrient-dense fat in the plant kingdom, protected by a shell so hard it requires a hammer to open. While others are fighting over the last cans of lard, you are harvesting hundreds of pounds of high-caloric survival fuel. Its nuts provide the lipids your brain needs to function in a crisis. By planting these, you ensure your grandchildren will never know hunger. 5. The winter energy, rapeseed, Brassica napus. When the world is cold, dead, and gray, rapeseed is your quick-charge battery. It is a tactical crop that grows in the winter gaps where other plants die, providing a massive surge of oil-rich seeds before your spring crops even hit the ground. It is the quick charge for your caloric pantry. It ensures your kitchen never goes cold and your survival lamps never go dark. 6. The desert lipid, prickly pear seeds, Opuntia. In the harshest droughts, in land so dry that even weeds perish, the prickly pear thrives. Most people eat the fruit, but the true survivalist knows the secret is in the seeds. They provide a rare, precious oil that can sustain life in a wasteland. It is an unkillable guardian of the arid homestead. It is the ultimate Plan B, a plant that produces the rarest resource on Earth when every other system has failed. 7. The southern gold, pecans, Caria illinoinensis. In the southern zones, one single mature pecan tree can drop enough fat to replace an entire grocery store's oil aisle. It is a permanent, high-yield resource that only gets stronger with time. The oil is stable, gourmet, and packed with the energy required for heavy labor off-grid. Sovereignty is owning the tree that feeds you forever. It is the difference between being a victim of the system and being a master of your own domain. Stop asking the failing industrial machine for permission to eat. The system is fragile. The soil is not. Once you master the living energy bank, you take the power back. You secure your calories, you secure your energy, and secure your life. Which of these unkillable oil crops will you plant first? Let me know in the comments below. We are the Soil Guardian. Subscribe for infinite sovereignty. Plant the fuel or live in the dark. Stay in the light.